is the invisible link. In this video, we're going to go over the script for the Golden Rule wands. The Chinese wands, the Chinese sticks, or what I call wands, is perfect for the Golden Rule magician. It really demonstrates the Golden Rule, and we've gone over how to use this prop in other videos. In this video, we're concentrating on various scripting methods for this effect. So we're going to show several different live takes using the script, so you can familiarize yourself with it and begin to memorize the script for the wands. Here I have two strings. This demonstrates the Golden Rule. There's a long string and a short string. Now, if the short string wants to understand what it's like to be the long string, the short string has to send attention out toward the other to experience what it's like to be the other. The short string looks over and sees the long string and experiences what it's like to be the long string. Even when they're separate, they are still connected. If you are the short string and you want to understand the long string, you have to send your attention over to the other to understand what it's like to be the other. And if you're the long string and you want to understand the short string, it's done a little differently. You just kind of go like this. There we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the invisible link. And our attention can do amazing things when we work with our attention. I've been focusing on trying to make a butterfly out of paper, a paper butterfly, dance in the air. And I've been done with it. There's so much to it. And these sticks explain the invisible link. It really means you and others are connected. This is an other, and here's you. For instance, you look over there. You want to understand the long string, so you send your attention, and you then understand. So you're looking at the other with your attention. You can see yourself. You can see the others. And it happens even when they are separate. When you bring your attention to another, you can sense what it's like to be them. Put yourself in their place. They might be putting themselves in your place, and that makes magic. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the invisible link. Invisible link between us all that enables us to do things together. Attention grows. We know more about working with electricity than we know about working with attention. Here's another way to see the Golden Rule. Two sticks, two strings. One is a long string and one is a short string. Now, if the short string wants to understand the long string, look what it does. It sends its attention over to here and if you're the long string and you want to understand if you're the short string and you want to understand the long string, you have to apply your attention, and that's invisible. It's invisible. You send your attention out toward the long string and you understand what it's like to be the other. So if you're trying to understand, if you are the short string and you're trying to understand the long string, you look over there, and if you want to understand the short string because you're the long string, you just go like this. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the invisible link. between you and others. There is an invisible link, an invisible connection. Voila!
This is the Golden Rule Magician series with professional magician, Steffan Soule. Please check our video playlist for the next or for related videos in this series and follow us at goldenrulemagician.com.